I am Davey Wavy, and I am here with my friend Brendan.
Hey.
So you guys have probably heard the theory that eating a lot of pineapple juice makes your semen taste better. I just think it ruins the pineapple juice. So anyway, we decided to embark on a very scientific experiment because the theory is that like the sugar in the pineapple makes your semen sweeter, and we wanted to get to the bottom of this. Can you explain to the horrified people at home what we did to test this?
We conducted the grossest science experiment known to man and put a very specific...
Look at you see what it...
We put a very specific bodily fluid into a little container and refrigerated it, and then ate a ton of pineapple.
And he means like I ate like 2 pineapples.
And then did the same thing the next day.
So what we're gonna do is, these are my 2 vials here. We're gonna taste test each one and see if we can tell which one tastes better. You know when you're like on the verge of throwing up and the throw up's like kind of like right here in your throat and you're like, am I gonna throw up or not? Like it's already like right here for me.
I think we need a spit bucket.
Spitters or quitters. The thing is like,
oh my god, it's leaking.
Whose is? Oh, it is. It really is leaking. Also, I really, did you ever throw up?
We're good, we're good.
The thing is, like, I actually enjoy semen, but you have to be in that moment. And when you divorce the semen from that moment...
It's one thing when it's coming out at body temperature, it's another thing when it's been stored in the refrigerator for a while.
True. That's true. I like it coming out of the tap.
Yeah.
I mean? So while we are on the subject of ejaculations, I work with a tantric instructor for a free audio guide to help you guys have stronger and more intense ejaculations. I mean, who doesn't want that? It's totally free. It works. I've done it myself. If you sign up down below, the audio guide will be sent to you through your inbox. So make sure you do that, and let's get back to the taste test. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know which one's which. These both came from me,
right.
So put out your finger.
Okay.
Don't look. It's like it won't detach from the thing. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, and I'm gonna put it on my finger.
Oh my god, I can't even look at it.
So I think there's enough that we can taste this.
Probably.
It looks so, you're crying. Okay, ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1. My is super neutral, by the way.
Yeah, it's like, it tastes like literally nothing. Good way to start.
Okay, sample 2. Why are you shaking? Stop shaking.
I'm so sorry, it's so weird. There's no way.
Oh. Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
That one was gross.
I think that one's the pineapple one.
Oh, see, I disagree. I think
it's
that
opposite?
one was gross. I think that one was disgusting. So should I reveal to see where we're at?
Sure.
So I think this one was pineapple. You think this was no pineapple?
Right.
No pineapple! Wow.
She's a connoisseur, okay?
Okay, now it's your turn.
Okay. Oh my god.
I don't want to see it.
Okay. Oh my god, it's sticking to it.
Stop! Is it even on my finger yet?
Yes.
It is? Ah! I can feel it.
Oh my god. Oh, it's on my finger now too. Oh no. Is that enough?
Girl, it's dripping off my finger. There's so much. Okay, I'm like really close to throwing up. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1. Okay.
I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. Apparently,
Do you want the rest of these?
I'll just like take them to go. Do you have a doggy bag?
I can't look.
It's all bubbly.
Oh, stop it. Is it on me?
It's on you.
I didn't even feel it.
Don't look at it, 'cause it's gross. Okay.
I don't know if I can put this in my mouth. Okay, we're doing this for science.
The more you know.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that one was not good.
No, that was not
That
good.
was not good. Okay, I think that one was not pineapple.
I'm gonna agree with you on that, because that was awful. But that was no pineapple.
Okay.
No pineapple.
So we were right on that one.
Yeah.
So I would say myth kind of confirmed.
I think it's pretty definitive.
You think it's definitive?
I think it, I mean, it, you know, it helped me.
So we'll say that it's plausible. That's what we'll go with, plausible. So it's plausible, but my takeaway would be that like semen is never going to taste good. It's not gonna be like, ooh, you know what I'm craving right now? I also have breath. Can you taste that yourself?
Yeah, it's like kind of sticking to the back of my throat a little bit.
So before you guys go, make sure that you follow Brendan. I'll put your Instagram link down below. And also make sure you sign up for the free ejaculation technique. Thanks guys so much for watching, and as always, more to come.